Mutton Haleem. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious Haleem restaurant style in home. Moong masood dal will soak up the gram dal and mashed dal and rice. Now we added sock dal and mutton in pressure cooker. Thick cardamom and salt. We made a Haleem masala at home for restaurant taste. Celery, dried coriander, cumin, masabat, red chili, clove, green cardamom, thick cardamom and curry leaves. All of them will be fried for a while on light inch and then grinded. All these things will be added to bring aroma and taste to Haleem. Take a pot, add oil. Add onions. Add ginger and garlic paste. Mixed well. Red chili powder. Turmeric. Salt. Add boiled mutton. Cooked well. Add tomato paste. Yogurt. Add homemade Haleem masala in it. Green chili. Add boiled dal. Some water. Cooked well. Now we make a tarika for Haleem. Green and red chili. Lemon. Ready for eat. Delicious mutton Haleem. Garnish brown onion and ginger lemon. Mutton Haleem in restaurant style, tasty and delicious. Alhamdulillah, be happy. Thanks for watching.